Welcome to the world of advanced dog training, where we'll unlock your canine companion's full potential. We'll elevate obedience beyond basic commands, mastering advanced control techniques that will impress even seasoned handlers. Transform your backyard into an exciting obstacle course, strengthening your bond through agility training. Harness your dog's natural scenting abilities with nosework mastery, opening up a world of scent-based activities. Prepare your pup for the rewarding path of therapy work, spreading comfort and joy to those in need. Explore service dog techniques, gaining insight into specialized training for assistance and medical support. Perfect retriever excellence on both land and water, honing skills for water-loving breeds. Dive into the exciting world of canine athletes and dog sports competitions. Ready to take your dog's training to the next level? Click the link below for more information.